Tell everybody about the Kickstarter.
Holy moly, you guys. Talk about ready, fire, aim.
Kim, go.
No. I mean the Kickstarter.
Go.
I mean the Kickstarter was ready, fire, aim.
Oh, okay.
And because this is one of those things that, my partner and I joke around that, she's been she is a trained graphic designer, 25 years. I've been doing this almost 11. And so this is a culmination of all the years of us creating content, but we really wanted to get it out before the end of the year so that people could get it in their hands as early as possible, 2019. And so we thought, let's do a Kickstarter. You guys, it's interesting, the whole process. We started building out the project probably a month before that we went live, just planning it and the copy. Meanwhile, we're working on, the PDF. We've been lining up fulfillment and shipping and printing and all of that. And so it's just been interesting. So we've gotten initial good response. And then once you go live on Kickstarter, you get all these companies saying, hey, we're going to boost you. We'll promote you. We'll do this and that. So we're testing one. The investment was small, but we are also doing some Facebook ads. So we're working on getting the ads up. We've got a lot of live streams training next week that we're doing. It's crazy. We're going into Christmas, right, in 2 weeks. But we've got backup plans for if we get close, what are we going to do? So it's been phenomenal in terms of awareness and pushing something and driving it. I'm a little bit tired, but I love it. And I really, really believe in this. And so we are bringing this to the world regardless. But the Kickstarter process has been, I don't know, I guess it's no different than probably another launch, but you dig around, you do a lot of research on how to have a successful campaign and how to do this and how to do that. And it's not as clear as you would think, or it's dated information, or people kind of keep it protected, or they want you to buy it. I'm not sure, unless we just didn't research enough. But it's been interesting, to say the least. We thought about Indiegogo, where you get whatever you've raised, right? They take more if you don't hit your funding goal. So we've looked at all kinds of things. And there are a ton of planners that have done hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? And we're also doing influencer outreach. Anybody interested in supporting us, we will happily go live, do any of that. And if for people that do want to do that, we're totally game to give you a physical planner too. Not to pitch, Ross. This is like, I've never felt so, what can I do to make it easy for you to help us? And it's so out of my comfort zone, right? But that's what you have to do. That's what we have to do. So it's an adventure. I'm having fun.
Well, as you can tell, Kim would make a great guest on a live stream show, a podcast, or anything, a guest blog, anything to do with content.